It is a treasured family heirloom, first gifted to her grandfather, former John A. Fernando, by Pastor Bruce Lee, and guidance became the foundation of his public service. That same Bible was later passed on to her father, former Governor Eduardo Fernando, who used it to his own oath of office. Mayor Sheila has continued his legacy, using the same Bible in all her oath-taking ceremonies as Mayor of John. And now, as she takes on the mantle of governor, she brings with her not just the most of the province, but also the way of generations who serve with heart, humility, and purpose. This Bible is not simple. It's a reminder of our own practice in moving ways to public service, anchored in faith, strengthened by tradition, and renewed in every act of leadership. History is being made today and is rooted in a legacy. The overtaking of the governor of the province of Vermont, Honorable Teresa Alejandra.
Ako si Ina Alejandra Hermano Pablo ng Joman Romeo. Nahadal sa katungkulan bilang gobernador. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa. Natutuparin ko ng buong husay at katapatan. Sa abot ng aking kakayahan. Ang mga tungkulin ng aking kasalukuyang katungkulan. At ng ibabang pag-aaralan nito'y gagampanan ko sa ilalim ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Na aking itataguyod at ipagtatanggol. Ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas. Na tunay na mananalig at tatalima ako dito. At susundin ko ang mga batas. Mga kautusan legal. Mga dekretong pinahihirap. Ng mga sadyang itinakda ng mga kapangyarihan. Ng Republika ng Pilipinas. At kung saan babalikan ang pananagutan ito ng walang